Cobra Trading Financial Platform Review. Watch before using. Most people think day trading platforms are the same, but you won't believe what happens next when speed becomes everything. Cobra Trading is a professional brokerage platform focused on active and day traders. It offers direct market access, short selling, and advanced trading tools. The surprising truth about Cobra Trading is that it provides low latency order execution and access to hard-to-borrow stocks. Most people get this wrong. They underestimate risk management and margin rules. Cobra Trading is best for experienced traders. The surprising truth is that discipline beats speed. Subscribe for more honest trading platform reviews that protect your capital.